Hello viewers, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome back to Mugda Art Studio. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput from Mugda. I'm back with a beautiful collection. So in this episode, I'm going to show you Banaras organza sarees. So we have got lovely thread work on these sarees and chala beautiful sober colors lo vachai. So let's wait for the beautiful sarees now. Before showing you the sarees, let me show you the sarees which are on the mannequin. So idu vachesi yellow colored, beautiful yellow color saree, and you can see this lovely embroidery work all over the body of the saree and Banarsi border. So such a lovely, and it's a perfect blend of western and traditional combination and mata. And the next saree is a lovely pink color saree with green color border. Such a lovely thread work all over the body of the saree, floral jal and Banarasi border. And next one is a green sari, so sea green sari and mata, lovely embroidery work all over the body and even on the borders, and it has got a cut finish border. So ikkada borders lo kuda embroidery work vachai. Let me show you the contact information. So these are the numbers where you have to send a screenshot of your favorite sari for processing your orders. We will assist you further, and Google Pay numbers are mentioned for you to make the payment online. And we are also shipping internationally, apart from shipping all over India. So let me quickly start showing you the sarees now. So this is a lovely organza saree. Ikkada body of the saree lo thread work vachayandi. Borders lo kuda thread work vachai. You can see cross checks. This is a pure resham work. Even on the borders, complete pallu lo kuda same thread work. It's a very beautiful saree andi, and we have got this brocade blouse like this. Price vachesi 8,600. Next saree chusedam. So this is a lighter shade of sky blue color saree with beautiful embroidery all over the body of the saree. Same pattern indaga chupichanu. Floral jal design with lovely embroidery. Pure resham work andivi. Even on the borders. And even on the pallu, beautiful thousands to chai. And the blouses is like this, brocade blouse. Chala beautiful blouse andi. And coming to the price, this is 8,600. So same pattern saree, no? I'm going to show you in pink color now. Cross checks, low color fillings, small border. Complete all over saree lo we have this embroidery and mata. Complete embroidery even on the pallu. And the blouse is like this, brocade blouse. And the price of this saree is 8,600. So same pattern, cross checks design low. This is a green saree. This is the organza material andi. Cross checks. Beautiful embroidery all over the body of the saree, even on the borders. Complete saree lo embroidery work vachai, pure resham work. This is the pallu. The beautiful tassels and mata, and the blouse is like this, brocade green color blouse. Price of this saree is 8,600. So same pattern lo. This is orange color saree andi. Complete saree lo meeku embroidery work vachai, pure resham. Cross checks pattern lo, small border. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ సోబర్ కలర్స్ అండి. And this thread work is just highlighting the saree beautifully. This is the pallu. Blouses like this, brocade blouse. And the price of the saree is 8,600. Same pattern I'm going to show you. Sky blue color saree. This is a sea blue color saree actually. The design కొంచెం different వచ్చిందండి. You can see the details. It's the lovely floral jal అన్నమాట. లోపల fillings, small borders on both the sides. So all over saree we have got this complete thread work. Even on the pallu. And this is the blouse. And the price is 8,600. Let me show you the contact information. These are the contact numbers for you to contact us for placing the order. All you have to do is just take a screenshot of your favorite saree as and when I'm showing you the sarees and send it to us, and we will assist you further. We have mentioned Google Pay numbers as well for you to make the payment online. Here was a beautiful peach color saree. All over the saree kada cross checks vachai, beautiful embroidery, floral booties, pure resham work. And here goes the pallu. Pallu lo kuda we have this complete embroidery work. And coming to the blouse, this is the blouse. Price of this saree is 8,600. It's a very comfortable saree and especially for summer season. Wow, here goes a very lovely saree. This is a beautiful sea green color saree. And look at this lovely florals which is made of pure resham and it's thread work, hand work. Very beautiful saree, cut finish border, golden finish border. This is the pallu. Blouse వచ్చేసి మీకు బ్యూటిఫుల్ పీచ్ కలర్లో ఇచ్చారు. ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సారీ వచ్చేసి బ్యాక్ సైడ్. ద ప్రైస్ ఫర్ దిస్ సారీ ఈజ్ ఆన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ అండి. హియర్ గోస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సారీ, పీచ్ కలర్లో కంప్లీట్ సారీలో ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ వర్క్ వచ్చాయి. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ లవ్లీ సారీ. Beautiful embroidery all over the body of the saree. Borders lo kuda same embroidery work vachai, running border anamata with cut finish border. This is the pallu. This is the blouse. Price of this saree is 8,999. So now this is a green color saree, beautiful embroidery. So look at the small floral booties and mango booties. Very cute this is. And borders, we have got this cut finish border with beautiful floral creepers vachai. And coming to the pallu, this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. And the price of this saree is 11,550. So next saree chuseda. This is a beautiful sky blue color saree. Floral jal anamata. So complete embroidery work vachayandi. Cut finish border. Very comfortable saree this is. This is the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి peach color లో వచ్చేయండి. This is the blouse, brocade blouse. We've got lovely contrast blouses for these sarees. 11,150 is the price. So very beautiful blouses వచ్చేయండి for these sober colors. Look, contrast color blouses ఇచ్చారు. So here goes the next saree in green. The lovely embroidery. చూడండి, all over the body of the saree మీకు embroidery వచ్చాయి. Mango booties. Cut finish border. Very comfortable material this is. This is the pallu. And beautiful peach colored brocade blouse. Price of this saree is 8,999. So let me show you the contact details for you to place the order. మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని నంబర్స్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. For ordering it, we will assist you further. Here's a lovely sea blue color saree with dark ink blue color border. Look at this body of the saree. So details Tuesday, you have this complete thread work. You also have mirror work. And this has got a Banarsi border. So this is Banarsi border. Here's the pallu. And this is the blouse. Beautiful Banarsi borders తో వచ్చేయండి. Organza sarees. Price of this one is 9,999. So next saree చూపిస్తాను. Baby pink color saree. Complete thread work on this complete body of the saree. Pure reisham work. You can see this lovely hand work and butter. Banarsi border. This side we have zigzags with peach finishing. On the left hand side we have zigzags with floral creepers and floral booties with peach finishing. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse. So this is almost same the kind of saree I have draped it. Price of this saree is 10,400. So similar to the one I have draped it. So let me show you the next saree now. Wow, beautiful floral jal. Complete thread work, embroidery work. Pink color borders on this sea blue color saree. Lovely color combination. Banarsi border, cross we have got zigzags and floral booties. Pallu and blouse. Plain blouse ichayannamata. Plain blouse with beautiful Banarsi border. 7,799 is the price of that saree. This is a beautiful yellow color saree with pink color border. Look at this lovely embroidery, and you have also got mirror work along with this embroidery work. Very beautiful saree. Zigzags here, rose gold zari work, Banarsi border. Left hand side lo zigzags and beautiful floral booties. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. And coming to the price of the saree, this is 9,999. Next saree చూసేద్దాం. పింక్ కలర్లో వచ్చేయండి విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బనారసీ బార్డర్. కంప్లీట్ శారీలో మీకు థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ వచ్చాయి. ప్యూర్ రేషం వర్క్ అన్నమాట. ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్, Banarsi border. Look at this border, very unique border. And left hand side we have got this mango booties. Banarsi border. So So this is a perfect blend of western and traditional combination. Borders are very beautifully traditional pattern lo vachai and sari koncham western style lo vachai. That's a very beautiful combination anamata. And blouse of the sari is like this. Coming to the price, this is 10,400. Next sari, sea blue color. Overall sari lo meeku thread work vachai, beautiful hand work, cross checks, local fillings, with a lovely Banarasi border. Very beautiful pattern. Mango booties and cross checks and florals. Pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this. Price is 10,400. So once again, let me show you the contact information where you have to send us a screenshot of your favorite sari for orders. And below mentioned are the Google Pay numbers for you to make the payment online, since it's an online order. And we are not just shipping all over India, we are shipping internationally as well. Here goes the cream color sari and the complete sari lo we have got this beautiful embroidery, pure resham work to icharu. Jal motifs vachai, jal local fillings, Banarasi border, peach color finishing on this Banarasi border, mango booties and floral creepers and cross checks. And the pallu is like this. And meeku blouse vachesi, this is the blouse. Price of this sari is 10,400. Next sari, it's a lovely blue color sari andi. So chala lighter shades lo vachai. Organza, cross checks, local fillings, beautiful embroidery all over the body of the sari, with lovely Banarasi border. Cross checks, floral motifs. Floral motifs though you have got mango motifs. And this is the pallu of the sari. And blouse vachesi, this is the shade of the blouse. Very unique blouses, contrast unique blouses. Price vachesi 10,400. Here was the cream color sari, cream color lo vachai, peach color finishing icharu. Complete body lo meeku embroidery work vachai, pure resham work. Banarasi border, antique gold, rose gold on the Banarasi border. You can see zigzags, floral creepers and floral jal. Very beautiful sarees, very beautiful collection. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price of this sari is 10,400. So next sari chusedam. It's a beautiful pink color, peach color sari. Complete sari lo meeku embroidery work vachai. Yellow color contrast border, such a lovely combination. Banarasi border. Floral creepers, zigzags. Mirror work kuda vachayandi body of the sari lo, and pallu is like this. Blouse is like this. They have given you this arms design also, mirror work too, to see the details of the blouse. Beautiful contrast yellow color blouse lo design icharu. 9,999 is the price of that sari. Here goes the green color sari with beautiful Banarasi border, organza material, cross checks, beautiful embroidery work, reisha work on the complete sari. Cross checks design icharu, thread work lopala fillings icharu. Coming on the Banarsi zigzag floral booties toe and cross checks fillings icharu. Pure golden zari work to Banarsi border icharu. This is the pallu. Green color contrast blouse, this shaded blouse. Price of this saree vachesi 10,400. So let me show you the contact information once again. These are the numbers on which you have to send the screenshot of your favorite saree for orders. And the below mentioned are the Google Pay numbers for you to make the payment online since it's an online order. Here goes the next saree, beautiful pink color. It's a baby pink color saree. Complete saree look, beautiful embroidery charu. Banarsi border. Zigzags this side, and on the left hand side medium sized border with floral creepers, zigzags and floral jal. Pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this shaded pink color blouse and matter. Price of this saree vachesi 10,400. So next saree, cream color saree. Wow, we have got this lovely borders. So body of the saree lo meeku cream resham work lo design icharu, mango jal, floral jal, and borders low. Look at this lovely flowers with beautiful colorful resham work and butter. Floral jal, leaves charu, and lace finish border. Look at this beautiful lace finish border. Pallu is like this, and this is the blouse, lace finish blouse charu. Price of this saree is 13,999. That was a very beautiful saree. So here goes this grey color saree, same pattern of grey color. So overall body lo meeku floral jal with mango booties icharu, and borders thick meeku colorful resham work the floral design chesaru. Lovely embroidery work andi on the complete body and the borders, lace finish borders. So each and every saree has got its own unique embroidery work. Such a lovely design. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. Lace finish border. Price of this saree is 13,999. Next saree. This is a cream color, light yellow, pale yellow color saree andi. Look at this floral design, beautiful embroidery, floral jal, pink color, peach color flowers, and green color though. That stem and leaf handwork chesaru. Look at this lovely border, lace finish ochai with beautiful embroidery, mango design, floral design, and this is the pallu. Very beautiful, pretty saree this is. And coming to the blouse, this is the blouse with lace finishing. And coming to the price, this is 12,999. Here goes the next saree. Onion pink color saree lo meeku beautiful embroidery work icharu. Just look at it. Lovely floral design. So there's no border as such. We've got the finishing with embroidery. This is a very pretty saree, very cute design. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price vachesi 13,999. Very beautiful collection andi. Do not miss out. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని పంపించేసేయండి ఫర్ ఆర్డర్స్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సారీ. దిస్ ఇస్ అ pale yellow color సారీ అండి విత్ లవ్లీ డిజైన్. లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఫ్లవర్స్ ఇన్ పింక్ కలర్. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లవర్స్తో హైలైట్ చేశారు. This is really a very amazing handwork. If you see the details, very beautiful handwork. Look at the borders. So Banarsi border, golden zari work to cross lines, antique gold and floral motifs lo chai. This is the pallu. We have got this lovely tassels as well. Very cute tassels and mata. And blouse vachesi. This is the blouse. Very beautiful design. Look at the borders. And price of this saree is 13,999. Here goes the next cute saree. Baby pink color lo. Such a cute embroidery. Look at this work. Beautiful leaf patterns chudandi enta cute ga icharu with lotus flowers. Golden zari work to kuda chesaru flowers. Such a cute design is this on this lighter shade of pink color saree. Chala beautiful sober colors lo vachai sarees, and the beauty part is highlighted with Banarsi border. That's a very beautiful combination. This is the pallu and the blouse is like this. This is a very cute collection and we do not miss out. Price is 12,999. So that was the last saree. So all you have to do is, for ordering it, take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us on contact details here. Let me show you once again. The below mentioned are the GPay numbers where you have to make the payment online, and we are also having international courier services. So that's all for now from beautiful Banarsi, which was a beautiful saree, beautiful collection. Chala sober colors lo chai, organza lo, Banarsi borders to, beautiful embroidery work to. So do not miss out on your favorite saree. So that's all for now. I will soon get back to you with another collection. So please do take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.